How to delete Shein account on app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shein application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. You will then be led to the home page of Shein. So go ahead and tap on the Me option on the bottom right of your screen, and further tap on the Settings option on the top right corner of your screen. You will then see the option for Manage My Account. Tap on that. In the interface that you will then be led to, you will see the Delete My Account option. Tap on that. Now, before processing to account deletion request, Shein conducts ID verification, account order complete, and wallet assets settled. So make sure all these aspects are fulfilled before moving forward to the deleting process. Further, tap on the Apply to Delete Account button. You will then be asked to enter your Shein account password. So go ahead and enter that, and finally tap on the Confirm button, and with this, your account deletion process will be initiated and further verified by the Shein and later deleted. So this is how you can delete Shein account on app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.